Alright guys, welcome back to the Sawmill. Got some pretty exciting stuff happening today. We got a new tractor. And check this guy out right here.
What's going on, guys?
Introduce yourself there, bud.
I'm Tony from Tony's Tractor Adventure YouTube channel, and I got the opportunity to deliver a tractor today up here to Nathan, and we're excited.
Check that out, guys. A cab tractor. I've been wanting a cab tractor for years. Let's go check it out. Alright, Tony, what kind of tractor are we looking at here?
This is the TYM T574. It's a 55 horsepower hydrostatic AC cab that will freeze your head till it makes your head hurt. It's got like 2,800 pounds of lift capacity on the front. I want to think it's 3,300 on the rear, and maybe about 2,700 pounds 2 feet past the pins. I mean, that's a ton of weight.
So Tony's going to take us inside the cab here. Show me how to operate this thing. I have no idea how it works. Smell that?
It smells like new, don't it?
New car smell. It smells like a new car in here.
So this thing is, it's got 3-speed. The transmission got 3-speed. It's hydrostatic, so basically in any one of those speeds is infinite. Your low and your medium you can run in 4-wheel drive. Your high don't. I don't run it in. I don't run 4-wheel drive and medium unless I just absolutely need it for some reason.
Gosh.
Most times you don't even need it. Right down here is your inner axle lock. You got your how fast your 3-point hitch drops there, and then you see in the middle of your seat, and you got all the adjustments for your seat.
Gotcha.
This thing's got a nice seat on it. And
so it's hydrostat, no clutch, guys, no clutch.
You're gonna love that for loader work, especially what you're doing.
Oh yeah,
what you're doing, you're gonna love it.
Boy, that's nice.
Got any questions? Anything?
No, sir. Just back up and shut the door, and we'll be good.
All right, let's do it. Alright, now this one's got something that you don't have on the other one. Well, most people don't have. It's called auto throttle. Yeah, it's called auto throttle. You take your brake off, and you got it, put it in your gear. Sometimes I find I have to push. You'll learn the little nuances of it. Pop your brake off. Alright, and then try to put it in gear. Just maybe touch your hydrostatic just a tiny bit, and you'll feel it fall right in as you're pushing forward. There you feel it. That's just the nuances of every tractor. You'll by tomorrow it'll be all over with. But go ahead.